Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the pinion flange and the pinion and the bearings itself. First thing we want to do is spray the nut down with some penetrant to help get it off a little bit easier. All right, now I'm ready to pull the pinion nut off. It's an inch 5/16 is the size. Room is pretty tight in there because of the dual fuel tanks. All right, so now I'm gonna pull the seal out. I'm gonna get a chisel. I'm gonna tap around that edge to lift the seal out. So those bearing races are gonna come out two ways. That far side, I'm gonna use this pry bar because it's got an end I can hammer on, and it's gonna tap it like that with my hammer, and it's gonna knock the race out the far side. And then this one here, I gotta tap from the pinion outwards. The easiest way to get the bearing races out is if you have an air hammer with a long punch end on it. That is by far the quickest. You can do it by hand, as you can see right here in the video. It is a little bit of a struggle. Being stubborn. There. That side is out. Knocked it right out. And then trying to get the opposite race out with dual fuel tanks and not much room. Not very good to swing. But the air hammer just takes seconds, and you're not wasting time. So now the pinion and the bearing races are all gutted out, and if you look closely at that pinion, the tooth broke out, and that's why I'm rebuilding the differential. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. See you in the next one.